Don't buy an Indian Chieftain until you've seen this video. Well, that is a bit of clickbait, isn't it? Here I am, just about to turn onto North King Street, on my way to Thomas Nelson Community College, to the riding range. As you can see, they are starting to resurface the North King Street. They have scraped the road, ready to have the tarmac relayed, but they haven't relayed the tarmac yet. This makes for an interesting experience. The motorcycle tyres tend to follow in the grooves that were made by the machinery, which makes life very interesting. So I've had my Indian Chieftain now about 9 months. I've got 3,500 miles on the clock. Still the motorcycle is jumping around a little bit here. Keep both hands on the handlebars. Passing a church. There are a lot of churches here in Virginia. Seems to be one on every street corner. Anyway. Turning on to West Mercury Boulevard. This is the on-ramp. West Mercury Boulevard is a 3 to 4 lane main road that goes through the middle of Hampton, Virginia. If you want to go anywhere, then you have to take this road. Every time I go to the riding range at Thomas Nelson, I have to go past the military veterans cemetery, which is on my right, which you can see. You can probably see the gravestones. Anyway, I was talking about my motorcycle. This is my Indian Chieftain 2018. Bought it 9 months ago, 3,500 miles, as I said before. The ride command center, which you're looking at right now, is a nice thing to have. We've got the music playing. It's a 111 cubic inch, which is about 1,800, maybe 1,900 cubic centimeters, roughly 100 horsepower, and I think it has about 120, 130 torques. So it's got a lot of torque compared to the horsepower. It's not a racing bike, it's a cruiser, I suppose. A cruiser that we have like to call it a bagger. That means it has 2 bags on the back. Hard cases that are lockable. It's meant for doing distances, I suppose. Not that I do that very often, but I do use it for that. It's a very stable bike. It's a very comfortable motorcycle. It always gets a lot of attention from people. I have people who open their windows next to me and want to talk to me about the motorcycle. I don't mind that at all.
Produced by Dan Fermento and Rob Frankel. Written and produced by Frank Guida. Programmed by Tom Powell. Copyright 2019. I'm Bill St. James with the answer to the trivia question we never asked. Rupert Pupkin and the Pipkins. Time Warp is a presentation of RTE Media.
Just for information, the service interval is 5,000 miles between services, which is quite a long time. So it's not exactly expensive bike to own. The fuel consumption is about 40 miles per gallon. That's US gallons, not imperial gallons, because there's a little bit of a difference. What else can I say about the bike? The bearing has a windshield that can be moved up and down electrically. It has cruise control, which I've only ever used once. I just don't feel comfortable using cruise control. I dropped it once in my driveway. It fell over on its side and I had to jack it up because it weighs 850 pounds. It was a very heavy motorcycle. When it fell over, I didn't have the engine or the rear bars on it, so it laid down quite flat and it made it even more difficult to pick up. Would I buy another one? Yeah, I think I'd buy another one. I have been considering buying a BMW to replace this, a 1250 RT. You know, that has music speakers and a radio, and you can put bags on that as well. That is much more of a touring motorcycle than this. I intend to do some touring later in the summer, towards the autumn, when it's not so hot. Today is very hot and very humid. There's a forecast of thunderstorms later, but this is Virginia, so who the hell knows what's going to happen. Oh, here I have to turn right into Thomas Nelson Community College. That's where the MSF riding range is. MSF is the Motorcycle Safety Foundation of America. That's where you go if you want a motorcycle license here in America. You do a 2-day course. It costs $135, and if you're successful, you end up with a motorcycle license, but not much experience. See, you can see ahead of me, there's the riding range. There's someone riding around it at the moment. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm pulling up to the coach's tent, and I'll say toodle pip, bye-de-bye, and hidey ho. Have a good day.